Before you begin, remove the service cover, wireless LAN module, wireless WAN module, hard disk drive cover, hard disk drive assembly, keyboard, top cover, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Remove the 4mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the right hinge cover to the display enclosure. Carefully remove the right hinge cover from the retention tabs and alignment pin on the display enclosure. The left hinge cover is removed in the same manner. Reverse this procedure to install the hinge covers.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.